Good afternoon. Good afternoon. This is Tony from Toota Auto Group. We got another video coming. I'm gonna do something a little different this time. I'm gonna show you how many uses we have for the mini truck. We got a mini truck right here. This is the Mitsubishi Minicab. You know, I usually do the normal videos where we walk around, but I'm gonna show you how practical this thing is. So right now, you know, here's the bed, nice and clean, everything. I'll show you how you can use this around the house, because we're in the neighborhood right now, and what do people do around the neighborhood? They cut grass, they power wash. So what if you got a power wash at your mom's house, or your sister's house, or what if you're starting a little side gig? I'm gonna show you how to use these things, so stay tuned. All right, so we all know it's springtime now. We got the spring cleanup, you getting the backyards ready. So let's say you gotta get some leaves out of the backyard. I know I got a couple leaves in the backyard. So let's show you how we can use the mini truck. Let's set it up. Let's see if I can get this set up right here. Tarp? Oh, you didn't know the bed rails go down. Yeah, the bed rails go down, see? Now we got a flatbed. Check it out. You got some stuff you don't want to mess up your bed? Get a little tarp. So look, now you can put mulch back here. You can get some planters. You put some leaves back here and just pull it right out. And you're not 6 feet off the ground or 7 feet off the ground where, you know, it's hard. Now, what about if you need a lawnmower? You gotta take it somewhere. Let's get a lawnmower and put it in the mini truck. All right, so let's see how it works out if you need to put a lawnmower in the back of the mini truck. Let's see what options we got. Let's check it out. And say you don't want to get your mini truck dirty in the back. Use a tarp. All right, so now you got the lawnmower in back of the mini truck. You got a little tarp for if you got any grass or anything coming out so you don't dirty up the bed if you want to. Now, what about if you got to do a power washing job? let's see how it's easy to get a power washer in the mini truck. Say if you're smarter than me and you got ramps, why don't we just use the ramps? Let's see how that works out. Alright, so let's see how it works out with a power washer. Let's say you got some ramps. Let's say you got some ramps for your motorcycle or whatever the case is. Let's see how that works out. I got some ramps here. They got a little edge on them. Oh, look at that. There's a little edge at the end of the door. Oh, that's perfect. Let's get the other one. As you can see, look at that. Fits right in there. Pretty sturdy. You can cover this back up. Alright, let's go get the other one. So we got our power washer here. I think that's a little wider than the ramp, so probably need two. Alright, so let's put the other ramp in. Let's see how it works. That was my first time doing it, seeing how it worked out. So whatever struggles I have, you might have. I mean, there it is. You can go make a couple $100 in your mini truck. All right, so you know what we're gonna do? Big question. Gas is about $4.49 nowadays. How much is it to fill up a mini truck? Well, let's go to the gas station and fill up a mini truck, because we're on E. Yeah, it's moving. But we're on E. So let's get our stuff together and fill up the mini truck. Stay tuned.